Hey, it's Nick from the Prayed Woodshop. I want to share my latest woodworking project with you. 1 year ago, we worked with the most amazing dog breeder, friends of ours from Arizona, to bring home one of the world's top 10 dogs. I mean it, right? All of us dog owners think we have the best one. Her name is Bailey. She's an Australian Labradoodle, and she has brought our family so much joy this last year. I agreed to make our breeder, Drea Teeley from Daff-O-Doodles, their family's very own handmade custom Catan board game. I've made 6 different ones of these in the past, different versions, but I felt like I had maybe one more design idea in me. These are very long, very tedious projects that I have to work into the rest of my busy life. And I did hit a few frustrating snags along the way that delayed things. But here it is. I can't wait to share it with you, and I can't wait to ship it on to the Teeley family. I hope they enjoy it. So I'm going to be honest, I think maybe my favorite part of this project was the box. The box is made from figured shadua wood from Africa, and the edges are lined with a really light colored hard maple. It's really, really pretty when it's finished and the light hits it in just the right way. And the lid slides off really nice to reveal all the contents of the game. I went ahead and got some cards for them from the company. Every border tile is magnetized, so you can actually arrange the border however you want to. And of course, there's the standard resource pieces: ore, wood, brick, wheat, and of course my favorite resource, sheep. And if you look closely, you'll see 2 little ears sticking out on either side of that hole. Now, this is the full 5 to 6 player version that I've made, and so there are 6 different colors for the player pieces. Each one of these colors is actually the natural color of the wood. So you've got wangi, hard maple, purple heart, African padauk, yellow heart, and my personal favorite, bacote. The pink bag here has the 3 to 4 player version numbers, and the purple bag has the 5 to 6 player version numbers, and you can see there's little X's at the bottom of those letters indicating that it's the expansion pack numbers, X for expansion pack. The same is true for the expansion pack hexagons as well. Because this is a custom game made for a family, we have the Teeley family desert hexagon here. Every 5 to 6 player version needs 2 deserts. Because of that, we have one that reads their family name and one that is just the sun. Notice the smiling robber in the middle of that sun. If you get tired of his snarky attitude, you can replace it for a puppy paw print, because sometimes those puppies do naughty things. I've included dual-sided largest army, longest road reward pieces. You'll notice there are 5 hashes in the middle of that road, indicating the 5 roads needed to have the longest road, and 3 helmets, indicating you need at least 3 knight cards to have the largest army. Ports are indicated by the triangles on the border hexagons. You'll notice this one is a white port, which is actually representative of the 3-for-1 port. The corners of the triangles point to the places in which you can put a settlement and receive access to that port. And that's it. Everything else basically plays the same. Teeley family, we're so thankful for you. Thank you for the opportunity to make this game for you guys and working with us. We so love our puppy, Bailey, birth name Rachel Greenwood, or Bailey Ray as we sometimes call her. Really blessed by her. And we just want to say God bless you guys at Daff-O-Doodles. Really appreciate you. Hope everybody checks you out.